Who doesn't love a good tier list? Today we have 20 popular stocks, 3 valuation charts, and 1 final ranking divided into 5 tiers. If your favorite company didn't make it to the list, drop it in the comments and we will include it in round 2. Before we rank the first company, here are 4 rules to make this challenge hardcore investor beast mode. First, market neutrality. S tier is full-size long position, tier D is full-size short. Tier A is half-size long position, tier C is half-size short, tier B is neutral. B stands for bull, I don't know. Second, exactly 4 companies per tier. Unlike Wall Street analysts who rate everything as a buy, I want to force real decisions and make this challenge really hard, especially because these are all great companies. Third, real accountability. In exactly 1 year, we will calculate the combined returns of each tier to see if this market neutral ranking made money or lost. Lastly, if you think I'm completely wrong, okay, let's see, let's go, game on. Drop a clean comment with your ranking and let's see who is right. If you beat me, I will credit you and I will officially admit defeat, but if you edit your comment, you are disqualified. Let's start. I have to begin with the companies I have a strong opinion about. For example, SpaceX. Check my normalized price-earning chart. SpaceX bar is really extreme. Valuation makes no sense to me. A multiple of 350 times can't be justified no matter the story. First, full short, tier D. Going back to the PE power chart, IonQ also sit at an insane 250 multiple. Not only that, I've also prepared my risk scores. And I believe quantum is extremely high-risk industry right now. Everything has still to be proven, so tier D for IonQ as well. Next, let's do the companies that are in my portfolio. Duolingo, SoFi, Adobe and Novo Nordisk. They must be a buy for me, otherwise why do I have them in my portfolio? I think the smart choice is to put 2 in S tier and 2 in A tier, so I have more flexibility later, but which one goes where? I will surprise everybody, but since Duolingo it's a little bit more expensive than the others, and it's also quite risky, I will place the green owl in tier A. Instead, SoFi is my most recent acquisition, it's still cheap, it's good growth, so first S tier. The only problem with SoFi is the credit fraud risk in case of a recession. For this reason, I'm going to balance it with a non-discretionary like Novo Nordisk also in S tier and let Adobe down in A. Now, Hyperscalers. Nvidia, Meta and Amazon. Selling these companies has been a guaranteed loss for 20 years, so I can't put them down. The cheaper is clearly Meta. However, Amazon is not that expensive either. If we look at my risk chart, I consider Amazon the safest of these 20 companies, so I'm going with Amazon S tier, also because of robotics. Meta in A tier, considering the lawsuits. Nvidia, I don't want to fill any tier right now, so I'm going to keep it on the side a while longer. I need to decide what I want to sell and it's very hard because are all great companies. So let's go back to my valuation chart. On the high side I have Nebius. Nebius, it's really expensive and it's also risky. However, it's the highest growth rate of all the 20 companies in my opinion. So I can put it in D because too much growth, but I need to fill the C tier with something. I need 2 more full sell stocks, between these high valuation companies: CrowdStrike, Palantir, Tesla, Robinhood, or AMD. I mean, what can I do? It must be Tesla. Okay, 10 left, but now it's really hard because I have to sell 4 of these. 4 are neutral and only 2 buys. And look at them. This could be part of a 10 stocks to buy list. While I think about it, help me out, click the like button. I think I'm going to put the stock I understand less, and it's kind of average Constellation Energy, here in the neutral area. Another one I think is too hard, for me at least, to place it is Micron. The price is okay, but expectations are so high, so it's kind of risky, it's volatile. Next year it could be at 3,000 or it could be at 300. I just don't want to gamble it. Tier B. 8 left and I need to sell 4. Uber, impossible. Impossible for me to sell at this valuation. Nike is the most downtrend stock of the entire market. As a contrarian investor, I can't sell now. What else we have? Nvidia, Netflix, AMD. I can't sell those. So it must be one of these high growth, high valuation stocks. Palantir, Robinhood, CrowdStrike. Palantir is expensive, but it's always expensive because it grows like crazy, and it's really not that risky because AI is the future, so Palantir will keep growing. So half sell for Palantir, and let's hope it keeps going sideways for another year. Robinhood, it's also quite expensive, solid growth. It's a good company, but I have to sell something, so tier C for Hood. 6 companies, 2 neutral spaces. I'm going neutral on Nike. The company is too beaten down and is cheap, but it has no growth at all. It's also risky because who knows if they can really come back, so I can't really sell it. I don't want to buy it. Tier B for Nike. Last 5, 1 each tier: CrowdStrike, Nvidia, Netflix, Uber, and AMD. The only thing that comes in my mind is that Nvidia and AMD could balance each other, and between the two I prefer Nvidia. So I'm going half buy Nvidia and half sell AMD. CrowdStrike, I like cybersecurity, but it can't compete with Uber or Netflix valuation-wise, so it must go down. And between these two, I'm going with Uber, full position, and Netflix in the middle. Let me watch it 3 seconds to see if I would change something. Switching Constellation for Palantir or AMD? Maybe, but no. I'm going like this. Do you agree? Do you completely disagree? You want to put Duolingo down. Okay? Comment with your ranking, let's see if you can beat me. Thank you for watching, please leave a like and consider subscribing because I have a big surprise coming up next month. Peace out!